Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the refractive index completely. Okay. In previous video, I spoke about the refraction as well as a little part of the refractive index. In this video, I am going to speak completely about the refractive index only. So, in which way you will represent, what is the way they are going to speak the formula with velocity. So, how you can remember that easily, everything we are going to see now. So it's just a recapitulation. What is the Snell's law we saw in the previous video? It is nothing but Snell's law, mu or small letter n. If you are writing this representation, you need to extend the small letter u towards the left side bottom. Then only they will consider it as a refractive index representation. That is equal to sin I by sin r. Okay, so here I am going to say in which way you are going to represent the refractive index. I told no, like from first medium to second medium or second medium to first medium. So that representation only you are going to see now. For example, same normal and then surface of separation. Here light ray is entering from first medium and it is reaching the second medium. For your understanding, I am saying like this. It is, yes, if it is rarer to denser means what will happen? You know very well, it will bend towards the normal. So that is not our problem now. How to represent this in terms of refractive index only we are going to see. So let us see that. N, what I need to write to the right side? Is it N21 or N12 or N21 or N21 or N12? So in these many ways we can represent the refractive index. You are going to guess whether which one is going to suitable for this situation. I will tell you. N21 means it is representing first medium to second medium. Okay. So you can see clearly first medium to second medium. So 1 to 2. Then how will I write this in the form of ratio? N21 is equal to N2 by N1. So what is the trick here? In which way you are going to remember this? Whether this representation is apt for this diagram or not. These many questions arising in your mind. Let me tell you how you can remember that. So here you can see N21 means it is 1 to 2. What about N12 means then? It is 2 to 1. You can see the variation in the way of representing in the ratio format. It is N2 by N1, N1 by N2. Okay, va? So, which formula is apt for the diagram given before? It is this formula only is correct. So what are the alternative ways you can represent the same N21? I will just tell the story now. It can be written as N21 or N21 or N21 or N21. In all these, you can see very clearly something is not getting affected at all. What is that? The subscript towards the immediate right side of your small letter n, that is not even getting affected for this 1 to 2 story. So, what is the output? Where the light is coming finally, to which medium it is coming finally or entering finally, that must come in the immediate right side subscript of the which one? Refractive index. So this is the simple logic you can remember. You will never do any mistake in representing this, or if this is given in the question paper, you will not get confused whether it is n2 by n1 or n1 by n2. Then I will come to that ratio story. So here you can see very clearly n2 by n1. So finally the light ray entered only in the second medium. So this is my output by input. Remember like this, output will come in the numerator, in the denominator input. That means in our diagram the light ray entered in the first medium and then it got refracted in the second medium. Okay ba? So it is from 1 to 2. So which is the final output? 2. That's why 2 is there and 1 is there. Now you can see very easily, you can even explain by yourself. What is the story then? Now it is 2 to 1. That's what I represented over here as what? 2 to 1. That's why it is shown here in the form of ratio as what? Output by input. That means here we won't use output input terms and all in light chapter, but that's a trick to remember this logic. You won't do any mistakes then. Okay. And now I'm going to show another formula based on this refractive index. That is n21 is written as what? n2 by n1. What is the other way around? If I reciprocate this means what I need to write and show, it can be written as what? 1 by n12. That's all. Why? What is the formula for n12? It is nothing but what? n1 by n2. So I can reciprocate and write and show this. That's the story over here. So it is nothing but, here it is n2 and n1 will come. Then only here it is correct. Can you see that? Both are same only. I will explain this again. I can write this n21 as what? 1 by n12. Why? Because I know n12 is nothing but what? n1 by n2. If I reciprocate, it will give you the value of n2 by n1. That's why I just made the change over here. If it is directly n12 means n1 by n2 will come. Okay. So it's another way of remembering the formula. Another formula with respect to the velocity. So what is the n21 formula? It is n2 by n1 means it is a reverse story of your velocity. So it will be v1 by v2. Why it is like that? What is that v called as? Velocity. That is speed of light in first medium and speed of light in second medium. So in other way also you can write this. It is refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. So this also the same thing n21 only. Okay, va? Second medium with respect to first medium. Then what about this case? That is n1, 2. It will be refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium. So this also you can see in the form of statement in the question. So by looking at that, you can understand what is this with respect to story also. One more small formula is also there. I will tell you that also. So that's again very simple formula. Can you see here? It is mu, that is instead of n I wrote as mu. I will tell you why I wrote like that. Then only you can remember the trick. See the movie. What is the see the movie story? So you won't change any letter placement. You can see that see there is simply I am just adding movie. It can be pronounced as movie. That's why I am saying like that. So it is see the movie. That is a trick to remember. How you used to remember this planet order and all, no, similar manner only. The same formula you will use in many places. With this you can solve refractive index problem in this 10th standard also, and you can find C. It is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, that is velocity of light in vacuum. With this data you can find the V value, that is velocity of light in medium. So you won't do any mistake in the placement of the letters over here. See the movie means C will be in the LHS side, and mu, that is N, will be in the RHS side, and V will be in the RHS side. So how I can write this? N is equal to C by V. This formula also you can see in your textbook. I will show you that also. Now can you see velocity representation? I gave you all the tricks to remember this. And you can see it is the refractive index formula in terms of the speed of light in air and speed of light in the medium. Okay. And next, why you are supposed to see this formula means you can expect any 1 mark question on the basis of this refractive index formula, or 2 mark question. They will ask you to find the refractive index of the particular medium. For example, NW. They will ask you to find what is NW with respect to air. So you can use the tricks what I have just spoken to you people. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.